Activate unlocked phone. Hello viewers, in today's video you are going to learn how to activate unlocked phone on Mint Mobile. So let's get started. First, check if your unlocked phone is compatible with Mint Mobile. Visit the Mint Mobile website and enter your IMEI number. Then insert your Mint Mobile SIM card. For eSIMs, delete any old eSIM profiles before activating the new one. Then configure the APN settings. For this, go to the settings and here select mobile networks. Then you will see an option access point names. Click on it. Then enter the values provided by Mint Mobile. You may receive these via text after inserting the SIM. Use the Mint Mobile application to activate your service. Enter your phone number, account number and zip code to complete the transfer. Then restart your phone to ensure all settings are applied correctly. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.